If you have been looking for how to make legit money online, you are in the right place. I'm going to be showing you how to make legit 1000 naira every day using this simple method. You can do this with either your smartphone, your laptop, your tablet, or any other devices that has internet connection on it, and you can do it from your workplace, your home, anywhere that you feel convenient for you. Before we start that, I want you to check out my channel and subscribe to my channel and like my videos, and also check out other videos that I've done to help you out with your other activities. Okay, let's go right into this method now. You're going to open your browser and type in sidegig.co, sidegig.co. Once you click on it, it's going to load up. Then you'll see this is sidegig.co. Earn more income completing simple gigs. Join over 1000 freelancers already earning on SideGig. You can see their interface, very good. See, join our community, select active tasks, get paid anywhere. You see 200 million plus amount earned, 240,000 plus job completed, 100,000 plus freelancers on this platform. So let's sign up for this. Let's create an account. You're going to click on this button, this start earning. Once you click on start earning, you allow it to load. So let's input our details. They say this create an account. You choose a username you're going to be using. Once you input your username, you input your first name, you input your last name, you input your email address, then you select a password that you're going to be using. You choose a password that you'll be using, you put it above, then you confirm it below again, just to be sure that you remember your password. Okay, after doing that, if you have any referral, you can, okay, I'm going to drop a referral link so that you use it here. Then this you choose register as, you click on it. It should be user/freelancer. Then you click on register. Then you click on this. You have two to do before you start earning. Click here to start. So you click on this, then you activate your account. You click start here. You input your phone number so that you will get an OTP to verify. Once you input your phone number, you start with 234, then you input your phone number, then click on send OTP. An OTP will be sent to your number right now, and you're going to use it to activate your account. So let's wait for the OTP. Okay, the OTP has been sent, 240957. You click on verify. You allow it to load. Okay, we've activated our account. So the next thing we are going to be doing is to add our social media account. They say click here to learn how to add an Instagram social account. So what you are going to be doing, we're adding your social media account to display, because that's what you'll be using to perform the task on this website. And the social media you'll be adding must be active. The account must be active, and once you click on, you add that account, they'll give you a code that you go and paste in your recent posts. The post you have recently, you put it there, and they're going to verify it manually. And once they do the verification, you will now go and delete that code from the post. Then you start earning on this website. After doing all those, if you want to start earning, you click on task. You click on task. As you can see, look at the task here. You see post like 2 naira, and the required post like here is 1217, and the one that has been done is 556. You can see so many tasks here. You have so many tasks to do in a day. Every 10 seconds they add more tasks so that you'll be able to earn It has first page, second page, all to seventh page, and they're adding more tasks for you to do. So what you're going to do is just to add your social media account, you link it to this website, then you start earning on this website. It's very easy. Your payment method: you don't need a Pioneer to accept payment from this website. You don't need a PayPal account. All you need is a Nigerian bank account. If you refer any of your friends, whenever they are withdrawing from this platform, you'll be getting a percentage from it. If you want to get your referral link, you click on this 3 dash here, then you click on invite friends. As you can see, here is your referral link. You click on copy, then you send it to your friend or any of your family member you want to refer. You can see their referral policy. You see, for example, if one of your referral requests 10,000 naira, if one of your referral withdraws 10,000 naira, you will get 63 naira. And if 10 of your referrals withdraw that 10,000 naira, after you're doing your own task, you'll be getting your own money, and their own is adding up to your own as well. You are getting money from the platform, and there's no limit for you making money in this platform, because there are many tasks for you to perform in order to earn money on this platform. I believe you're enjoying this video. What I want you to do for me now is to like this video, comment on this video, and share the video to your friends so that others can also watch the video and learn from it. And also comment any question you have or contribution you have under the comment section in this video. Like and subscribe to this channel so that you'll be able to see my future posts that I'll be making on how to make money online, because I'm going to be dropping more of it for you to be able to make money online. If you want to add your bank account for you to be able to withdraw your fund from this website, you click on this 3 dash above here, then you click on this picture that looks like a profile picture. You click on it, you allow it to load. Once it loads up, you scroll down, you see add bank account, view all your saved bank details and new and delete. You can just click on this add bank account. Once you click on it, you input the name of the bank, the account number, and the name on your account number. Then you click on add bank account. Your bank account is going to be saved here, so whenever you've gotten to the limits or when you want to withdraw your money, you just place withdrawal and they'll send it directly into your bank account. I believe you're enjoying this video. Please like this video, share with your friends, and comment. And I love you guys. I'm going to be dropping more. Thank you for watching this video to the very end. My name is David Godwin. If you have any question, you can drop it on the comment section and I'm going to reply to you. Thanks and goodbye.